Is Apple, the tech giant we all know, becoming a real threat to traditional banking? It's a question that's been buzzing around as Apple extends its reach into the financial sphere, with tools like Apple Pay and Apple Card. Let's delve into the timeline of Apple's entry and growth in the finance sector. To understand the potential threat, we need to understand the journey. Apple's financial expedition began in 2014. It was in this year that Apple Pay was launched, a service that allowed Apple users to make payments using their devices. This innovative move was met with enthusiasm, and over the years the popularity of Apple Pay has grown exponentially. Fast forward to 2019, Apple introduced the Apple Card. This was not just another credit card. It had unique features like instant issuance, zero fees, and daily cash back. The Apple Card was a step further into the financial domain, and it was a bold one. What makes Apple a potential threat is not just the innovative services it offers, but the massive user base within its ecosystem. With millions of people using Apple devices worldwide, the company has a ready market for its financial services. Now that we have the timeline, let's understand the implications. So, is Apple really a threat to traditional banking? In the red corner we have Apple, boasting convenience and intuitive user experience, and seamless integration with their ecosystem of devices. In the blue corner, traditional banks, armed with a deep-seated trust and a wealth of regulatory experience. Apple's entry into the financial arena has certainly stirred the pot, forcing banks to step up their innovation game. While it's too early to call, one thing is clear: the financial landscape is changing, and Apple is one of the catalysts. In the end, the question isn't just about Apple being a threat to banks. Remember, it's the story of Apple's entry, growth, and potential ripple effects in finance. Ultimately, it's about how technology is reshaping the financial sector, and how traditional banks respond to this shift. That's a story that's still being written.